Is flatbread pizza on the menu? Yes, it is. So first thing y'all gonna need is some ground turkey, some pepperonis, and I got some vegan dia mozzarella cheese because I'm lactose intolerant. I got the mission flour tortillas, and yes, Prego traditional is gonna be the pizza sauce because baby, I'm not finna go out and buy no pizza sauce when I ain't gonna use it that much. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but if I don't, I'm gonna have it for my spaghetti or my pasta. Anyways, y'all, I'm just gonna take a little slice of turkey meat because I'm only cooking this for one pizza, maybe two. Maybe two. I'm gonna cook some extra for another pizza. Use that for a different day. So, anyways, I got my little ground turkey. Got it all cut up in my little pan. Finna season it with the all seasoning. Y'all know, season it how you want to season it because I can't tell you how you season your food because I can't taste the food that you eat. Okay, I can't taste it. So use your own taste buds and season your food how you want to season your food. Okay, that rosemary, I just seasoned with some rosemary and I used some Mrs. Dash salt-free all-purpose seasoning. No, that was garlic and herb. Garlic and herb, then I got no salt Tony's. That's gonna give it a little bit of spice to it with no salt, without the added salt. Okay, y'all? Y'all, we getting old. We need to watch out for our salt. Even y'all young folks need to watch out for y'all. Anyhow, got that all stirred up. So now I spread some oil in the frying pan, skillet, whatever you want to call it, and put the tortilla in there and let it cook. Okay, I'm showing y'all my cheese again. This is lactose-free, dairy-free cheese, the only cheese that I could eat. Okay, y'all, let it brown a little bit in there because we wanted to get a little crispy. Okay, we want to get a little crispy. That's why we put that oil in there. Flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, once you get that other side crispy like the other side, now all you need to do, turn the stove off now because we ain't cooking it no more. Put that spaghetti sauce on there and rub it around and coat your bottom, make it your first topping. So the pizza ain't good without a good foundation, boo. Okay, so we gonna lay that foundation and try not to get any pizza sauce in the pan like I just did, cause you got a white pan like I do, it'll cause it'll burn, but it wash out. Anyhow, y'all, we're gonna go in with that cheese a little bit, just a little bit of cheese. We're gonna go in with that, and then look, wait, hold up, I forgot the tomatoes. Because I probably should have put those on first. But anyway, the cheese will help. Anyway, put those tomatoes down because the tomatoes is like the foundation part too. That's going to give it a little extra oomph with that tomato sauce. With that, yeah, what you call that? Pasta sauce. With that pasta sauce in there. So I'm cutting some tomatoes and put them on the bottom. That's like, the good base that's going to make it taste like, yeah. So now I'm going to put those pepperonis on there. I put it. No, I'm gonna add some more cheese on there, y'all. I'm forgetting what I'm doing because it's the voiceover now. Put some more cheese on there. And once I get that cheese the way I want it, I ain't want to put too much cheese, but I want to put just enough. And I think this was just enough. Okay, look good, look good, look good. So now it is time for the one and only pepperonis, y'all. I love me some good pepperonis on a pizza. I ain't no big old pork fan, but I'm gonna eat me some pork now. Okay, but I'm gonna eat me some pepperonis. But you spread them on here enough to get it almost like a pepperoni pizza. You can stop at this point if you want to stop and just leave it as a pepperoni pizza. But no, girl, I got to keep going. Put this here turkey meat on there. This is like if you was going out to a restaurant and they said you want to add sausage or add ground beef or whatever. This is just ground turkey. I don't even know if they got these ground turkey as an option at these pizza places. They got all the unhealthy crap that comes already prepared for you in a bag, and that's what you're going to get, okay? But when you make it at home, your ingredients is fresh. You cut them, you did them. Ain't nobody play with your food, and that's it, y'all, okay? So now I'm going to sprinkle some rosemary on top of that because at this point, y'all, I really thought I was done. I thought I was done, but I wasn't. I had forgot. I went on ahead and oiled my pan, getting ready to put it in the oven. Then I was like, oh my God, I forgot. I forgot the bell peppers, baby, because I had fried some chicken the other day or baked some chicken the other day. And I had some extra cut up bell peppers, some orange bell peppers and some green bell peppers. And baby, I put them on my pizza. What's wrong with y'all? It's got to be good. It's got to be healthy. All my vegetables got to be fresh. Okay. So I'm going to put it back in the pan. In the oven. Now it's out of the oven. Ooh, this is a magic trick, y'all. See how fast that pizza got done? I left it in the oven on like 425 degrees for 5 minutes. And now I'm slicing my pizza. And I'm going to do it in 6 slices. I was going to do 8, but then I said, nah, let me do 6 because this is a small pizza. And look at that, y'all. perfection. Yes, Lord, it came out so good. Y'all, it tastes even better than it looked, baby. And when I tell y'all this is a fresh pizza, I paired it with some avocados on the side, sprinkled with a little salt and pepper, a little garlic seasoning on there. Baby, you can't tell me that this ain't chef status, okay? Anyways, y'all, try that if you like it. If you do, let me know how it tastes. It's your girl Goldmouth signing out, doing my happy dance. All right, y'all. Bye.